Joey is an X-ray tech, provides X-ray services. He's also cross-trained in phlebotomy and has really taken to that very well and get a lot of comments in terms of patients haven't even felt the stick. Joey seems to bring ease and comfort to every patient he interacts with and takes their attentions away from the immediate stresses in terms of why they're there for the X-ray or the blood draw. We know what Joey does day to day is important to the patient because of the feedback that we get from the patients. Since July, we've received 125 comments via email, as well as 125 comments via voice message. Here's some of the things that I've pulled out of the feedback from the patients as descriptors of the care that he provides. Professional, helpful, made me comfortable, put me at ease. He cares, he takes his job seriously, he's friendly, he's enthusiastic, energetic, he made me laugh. A delightful experience. He's cheerful, he's kind, he's wonderful. The list can go on, but those are a few of the things that we hear about him. We see repeated positive comments from patients. It becomes apparent that he's a very special person. He also provides ongoing feedback in terms of how collectively we can continue to improve providing care. And Joy, I would like to thank you for the positive impact you have with every patient that you deal with on a day-by-day basis.
We had a patient that had cancer in rehab, and she was not doing well. And Sona was able to really listen to the patient's goals and find an activity that would be meaningful to her. She asked the patient, and the patient wanted to get ready for her daughter to come in. So Sona and her worked on sitting up on the edge of the bed and combing her hair and putting on makeup.
She takes the time to really figure out what's going on with the patients, to figure out what their needs are. She was the first therapist to become certified in lymphedema management. It requires a lot of physical manual treatment, different types of massage, different types of compression wrapping. Sona has the kindest soul, and her patients don't always get to see that side right away because as a therapist, it's really important that you're being the coach and that you're driving them to progress. But as her patients get to know her more, they see that everything she's doing is truly in their best interest and that she's doing it out of a place of love.
We have a cancer committee at Rush. She's on our program development committee, and she leads some of the initiatives with the other team members.
Sona's a constant seeker of knowledge. She's taking courses in brain injury. She attends a lot of the continuing education provided by Rush. She's done training in several other departments across the hospital. I think Sona moves our whole department forward. She's not only providing these great services herself, she's allowing and nurturing everyone else to provide these great services. Sona, thank you for all you do. For me, for our patients, for our department, we are so lucky to have you, and I love you so much.
One thing about Rose is she's very compassionate. Rose will go out of her way to make sure everybody around her is well taken care of. No matter who she deals with, is it the nurses, the doctors, her colleagues, anybody she's around with, she treats them with utmost respect. We as respiratory therapists, we work with different disciplines. If Rose has a concern about a patient, she'll make sure she reach out to other disciplines and even her team leader or colleagues to make sure that concern is taken care of. Every day she's here, she takes our profession to another level. People actually go looking for Rose if they need some help, and it can be any task, small task, big task, you name it, and Rose will be there. When she comes to work, she always has a smile on her face. It's like a breath of fresh air. It's really nice to be around her. She's very positive. Any patient she deals with addresses their concerns, talk to them what she's doing, explain things in their way. Rose, it's so great to work with you, and you're such a wonderful addition to our department.